Wow, look at
turn too soon.
Yeah, before we hit the pothole.
No, we should turn over here. Instead of what we did, we went too early.
Like there's a car wash entrance. Wait, I think this is the Susan Auto Spa.
Alright.
I'll see what this is. You can see they have the 11, the Crimson Wheat, all the way up. There's the Extreme Clean, yeah, right here. Hold on. Alright.
Welcome to our car wash. Please select an option from the list on the screen. Please select an option by pressing one of the service buttons on the screen. Please select a car wash by pressing one of the service buttons. Please insert cash or card. Thank you for your car wash service. Please wait. The wash is busy at this time.
I just got it.
Get it.
Let's see, man, there are quite a few cars that it won't take that long for. No, yeah. It didn't ask me for a pin.
Didn't?
No.
Sorry.
Yeah, you're good. I'll have to stop the video until the line is done. There's the nozzles right there.
Yeah, I'm doing something, so tell me when I need to move,
Okay. It's like a bug remover. Let's see. I'll get that one.
Don't touch anything. Don't. Please don't.
All right. Is where the right car is always in neutral in every tunnel car wash. Oh, there we go. Now we're moving. Looks like maybe a bug remover or something. I don't think it's dry foam or something. I think it's a blue kind of foam. It's just single foam, I guess. So this thing has the blasters right there. Like, oh yeah. Yeah, one of these brushes right there, you gotta see. a lot of bushes right there. And there's the bridge thing. Or ultimate finishes. And there's a brush right there. They're the top ones. Total vehicle protection. Clear cone and rinse. Wow, everything is going at once. Now the clear cone and the spot for rinse. And now the rinse thing. There's already a security camera right there. I hope it doesn't catch me filming.
What?
I hope the security camera doesn't catch me filming.
You can have a problem with that.
No. Yeah.
You all done?
Yeah. We already answered that one, and yeah, that's it. Hey guys, sorry if I'm recording because my battery's at 6% right here, but I don't want to record too long because my battery will die. Looks like it might as well. It might got the bird poop off the back side of this car. Oh, I don't want to spread. Hand printed. So apparently, it was kind of good. It was kind of going through a tunnel system. Like every tunnel car wash, you got to put the car in neutral. Or if we're at a moving machine system, you would park the car. It's all covered up so I don't say it out loud. Yeah. It's one day Toyota Corolla right there. They did the mirrors and yeah. So I guess let me show you things before I end the video. Yeah. I think it was an ant right there. Anyways, so that's the end of the car wash. I'll see you guys when I go to another one. Oh, sorry. I'll see you guys when I go to another one. That is it.